Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's first of all switch to the video one. We will see whether we've got this option highlighted here, but unfortunately we do not. So we have to enter the settings. Let's tap on this icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see there we've got the video section with the resolution at the top. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got 5 different options with 16:9 and 21:9 ratio, 4K, 1080p option, and 720p. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. I will choose this one, and as you can see it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Of course it's up to you which resolution you'd like to use, however I highly recommend to use this one. Also it is recommended by the developer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.